Okay, the next problem that we looked at was 3.5, and that again has another high-low component to it, but it has some evaluation in there too. So this was a shipping cost one. You know, she's trying to figure out what is determining the shipping cost, and she's using the variable units shipped, and this is what she gets for a line on it. Okay, so the question is, I think the questions are, let's see, a couple things. First of all, you know, determine the cost function, and then what were the assumptions in here, and evaluate the validity. Okay, I don't know what the assumptions are, but this is what we want for the high-low. We have our high is 5,700, the low is 5,000. In terms of units, it's 600 minus 350. These are dollars here. So that gives us 280 of variable cost per unit. And then when I substitute that at, say, the $5,000 level here, I just usually pick the easiest numbers I can. We get fixed cost of 4,020. And then remember that you've got to come up with the cost function. Okay, that's always important. And that means that your total cost is equal to 280x. This is your independent variable. Okay. That's what x is, and that would be the number of units shipped plus our fixed cost of 4,020. Okay, now what did they ask? What was the second thing there for 5? They asked certain assumptions. I don't know. Oh, well, the big assumption is that it's got to be within the relevant range. Okay, that's like an important thing there. So let's look at the rest of this though. When we go to evaluate the validity of the equation, goodness of fit. How well does it fit the observations? It's not bad, don't you think? I mean, it's if we look at our graph, if I can find it. Sorry, it's over here. Okay. It's kind of, that would be high and that would be low. So or low and high rather, sorry. So our line is something like this. It's not bad. I mean, it's pretty close, and the numbers are all pretty much in a line. So I would say, in terms of goodness of fit, it's not bad. Okay. Significance of the slope. Our slope here, don't forget, is the 280, the variable cost per unit. It's the 280. So 280 is upward sloping. Okay. And the last thing that we have here is economic plausibility. And in terms of economic plausibility, it makes sense. The cost increases with the units shipped. Okay, it may not be, we've still got a pretty, if you extend this line, it would mean that we've got a pretty good, let's see, something like this, something like that. That would be our intercept, and that's a pretty hefty fixed cost. And maybe it's right, you know, but I wouldn't hesitate to go around looking for some more variables too. Okay, all right, so what this question was really about was looking at evaluating the high-low method and the results from that. Okay,